Hello guys, what's up? This is Junaid. Welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can live stream on Facebook like never before. Before starting this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so that you may get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. But before starting, make sure you have watched my other video as well, on which I have shown how you can live stream on YouTube, because I have set up the OBS studio in that video. So you have to watch this video from this card as you can see above, and after watching this video we can continue using OBS studio to live stream on Facebook like a pro. Alright, so first of all, let us set up few things in OBS studio, and then we will dive into the Facebook to broadcast our videos or anything you want to broadcast live on Facebook. Alright, how to create these scenes, how to set up the OBS studio, how to do the proper settings for the OBS studio. I have explained everything very clearly in my previous video. So before continue, make sure you watch that video, and then you can get a better understanding of what I'm doing. Alright, so first of all we need to go to settings and do not change anything in general. In stream you need to change it to Facebook Live. Alright, now the service you are using is Facebook, so we are going to use the Facebook like service, and it is showing us a recommendation that you should change your resolution in 1280 by 720, and your frame per second should be 30. So I will hit yes. Alright, because it is very important. Facebook Live, in order to go to live on Facebook, you need to change the stream key. As I go live on YouTube, so I have a YouTube key here, but we will paste our Facebook key here to go live on Facebook, but we will do that in a moment. But let me first of all set all settings to go live on Facebook properly. Alright, so in output, make sure your bit rate is set at 70% or 80% of your total network's bandwidth. Now why I'm talking about 70 or 80%, because some internet must be reserved for other use. If you are playing games, suppose, then you must reserve 20% or 30% for gaming, and the other portion, 70% or 80%, should be reserved for live stream. Alright, you can also get a better understanding by watching my other video. Alright, so it should be 70 or 80%, and do not change anything else. Everything else looks good. Audio is also good, and in video, in output scale, it does not support 1920 by 1080. It supports only 2080 by 720. Alright, and in downscale filter, make sure it is bicubic. If you have a very high-end PC, you can go with sharpening scale 36 samples, but I recommend to go with 16 samples. Alright, so frames here does not support for Facebook Live up to 60, it only supports up to 30. Alright, so these are the basic settings, and I think that's it for live streaming on Facebook. So let's dive on to the Facebook. First of all, we need to open the browser, and make sure you do not close your browser. If you close your browser, the live stream will be stopped. Alright, next we need to go to our page, and it is my page Unibutcher. You can also follow my page. In this page I upload my gaming videos, and you will love my gaming videos in this page. Alright, so here you need to go to, let me see, Creator Studio. After going to the Creator Studio, what you need to do, you need to go to Creative Tools, and after that you need to click on Live Dashboard. Alright, let's wait for the loading. Yes, it is loaded. So after that, make sure you have this option enabled. If you do not enable this option, because it has different pages, live stream page is different, and this created tool live dashboard is different. If you go live using your live dashboard, you will be navigated to this dashboard, right? So it is very important to keep this turned on, or else you will be navigated back to this page. All right, so next we will go to live section, and you can enter your stream title here. As you can see, I have written PUBG Mobile live stream Pakistan Juni Butcher, and the game is PUBG Mobile. All right, you can set this information here, or you can also set the information later in the setup live stream option section. So let us set up our live stream. As you can see, this is a different page and the previous one was different. If you do not click the options, toggle the option, you will be navigated back to the previous page. If you toggle this option to turn on, you will stay in this page. Alright, it is very important. So the title here, I will write Juni is live PUBG Mobile live game live stream. Alright, and this is the description, and the game will be PUBG Mobile. You can fill any option you want. Alright, after that, what you need to do, as you can see, the Facebook is waiting for the OBS Studio to send data to start live streaming. So what we need to do, we need to copy the stream key. Make sure you do not share this stream key with anyone. Alright, keep this private. You need to copy this stream key. Let's go back to the OBS Studio, click on settings, click on stream, and here the key should be my latest key that I just copied. Alright, so I think we are just ready to go live on Facebook. You can also do different options here in gaming section. You can add your alerts. You can add your alerts will pop up here, your comments will pop up here, and you can also feature your checklist, and there are many settings you can explore. You can also add new goals, as I have added a goal of follower. You can add new goals as you want. Alright, just like the follow 35, amount needed should be 100. As you can see, I selected here. Alright, you can publish here, and the goal will be displayed just next to your live stream. Alright, so we are already set up here, almost good. So let's get back into the OBS Studio, and here you need to create your scenes. How to create these scenes, you can check my previous video, I have told you. Alright, so this is my first scene, this is my second scene, and this is my third scene. As you can see, I have selected a window capture option, and the window capture section will be my game loop as I play PUBG. But today I am also going to show you how you can live stream using your pre-recorded videos. So I have to delete this, and I need to select media source and write a name, PUBG live. And if you want to keep this in loop, you can select this option. Alright, I will not select it, and I will select my file, pre-recorded file, and it is, I guess, where it is. This is the live video of about 2 or 3 hours. Alright, so I will click OK. As you can see here, this is pre-recorded video, and this will be broadcasted to the Facebook live. Alright, so let's start our live stream. This is my first scene with music. Alright, let me adjust this. So I will start, click on start streaming. After checking everything is okay, Facebook is also waiting for live video, I will click on start streaming. As you can see here, connecting live video, because I copied the stream key from Facebook to the OBS studio, and the OBS studio is sending data from its engine to the Facebook. Now please make sure you are still not live on Facebook. It is just a preview that is showing you how this will be displayed. Alright, so after you have set up everything, you can see the stream matrices. The video bitrate is 6 megabits per second, the frames are 30 frames, and audio bitrate is 130 kb per second. Audio format is AAC. Maximum resolution that Facebook supports for now is 720 pixel. Everything looks cool, and after everything done, you need to click on this button, go live, then you will go live on the Facebook. So let's click on go live, as I'm going to live stream on Facebook right now. I will click go live, and boom, you are live on Facebook. Isn't that easy? And as you remember, I switched on the button to stay in this section, or else I would have been navigated to the previous page. So make sure to enable this option. Alright, so we are live on Facebook. You can see your data here, and you can see your preview here. Alright, so if you want to change these scenes from 1 2 3 4, you can toggle by clicking on these scenes. Alright, this is very easy. You have got the point what I am trying to say. So we are now live, and I guess that's it. And all your comments and alerts and everything else will pop up here, and you can reply to your fans and your followers easily. You can also add graphics, you can also clip your video if you want to. You can see your stream health here. This is for the gaming. This is the insights, how many there are current viewers, peak viewers, estimated earnings from the live support, and total shares, total comments and reactions, and so on. This is the stream setup. These are the questions that you can ask to your supporters. This is your feature link. If you need any help, you can also contact Facebook. So that's it, and if you have any questions, please feel free to comment down below. I will try my best to reply all your queries. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.